cool. So the next step is to basically make sure that we drag and drop properly and we actually clear that stuff here. So I think I'm gonna comment out the clipping for now, because that's fine. It just it doesn't seem to work well because it's clipping all over the place. So I think I'm just gonna comment out this stuff. Oh no, is there a shortcut to comment something out? No, but it's fine. I'll figure out later. I know I can just do these probably and I'll be fine. And then at least we don't get the clipping, but still, yeah, still we're drawing something nice in here. So what we want to do is obviously, you know, this is kind of the issue, right? So the idea would be, well, I guess, can I give, so Mr. Ghostwriter, can I give position object, okay, so we'll probably do it like this, and then that's the initial position. And then I guess what we need to do probably is essentially say, so this will be a last position, and so what we want to do is we want to clear last position, and then these should be I guess exactly. I guess that makes sense. This is a suggestion. So this becomes the last position now, and we gave it here. Yeah. I mean, maybe. Oops. How can I do multi-line select? What have I done? What is this doing? I guess I'll just do position. I should learn the shortcuts at some point. It makes it easier. So this is position, and then we clear the position, update the position, and then you know, basically this is to new position. Let's see. This is working well. No. It's not working well. So I'm updating the position and painting the position, right? So can you help me here? You help me understand why no, not moving mouse over drag start. Let's go. I have implemented that. It's mouse move. But that's what I have already done. Position. So I've got this position. Then it's like that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Urgh. So I found it before Ghostwriter. Yeah, but that's good. Yeah, but that's not working either. So now, because now I have the new position, and I wanted to basically width and hide. So draw the square. Yeah. So essentially, yeah. So I mean, that's already implemented, but I can't seem to drag the square to be able to drag the square. Variables you're using, make sure that the variables you're using to store the mouse coordinates adjust drag start. I set the right positions when the mouse is clicked. Additionally, make sure that drag start variable is set to true. Drag start true. Oh, wait a second. What are these? Okay, so check if the mouse is over the square. Yeah, that is no, that is fine, right? Because this is just the initial event, and I think and I think if it's just like this is debugging, this is true debugging. Yeah, but it's not clicking actually. Oh. I might wanna just say position X, and then position drag start X is the offset. Okay, yeah. I mean, it definitely shouldn't be 30, but it's like position X plus position width, I guess. I guess that's the point, right? And then here, it's probably going to be basically track Y, position Y, track start Y, position Y, and then hide. I think that should be fine. Yeah, now it works. Cool, test. I mean, it works. At least it goes in here. So, but I still can't drag it, right? So, so basically that when you do mouse down, you calculate these, check that it's inside, and then sets these variables to true, and then drag element, clear position. Yeah, that's actually wrong. Of course, that's definitely wrong. Why have I done it like that? I thought that. Okay, there you go. That's awesome, man. Okay, cool. But it's deleting the lines. It's definitely deleting the lines, which is not nice. How can I make sure the lines are not being cleared? Maybe I just have to repaint the whole scene, right? Clear the canvas. No, that's already there. What I mean is, yeah, probably what I probably need to do is can you refactor the horizontal line creation into a function? So cool. So basically that is something that yeah, basically we'll do it like this, and then I guess after each of these, then you kind of repaint, basically control horizontal lines. So I guess there's no way to avoid that, right? Yeah, nice. Look, that looks really nice. Perfect. So yeah, that's nice. Now I just need to be able to drop it where it is, and that's it, and then we can work on the clip. I know that I guess we need a function mouse app. How code for the mouse app function. Let's see if it actually understands what is it supposed to do. That's funny because I'm not. Oh, that's pretty neat actually. Yeah, it's actually fairly simple. Oh man, that is actually, it does feel like cheating in a way. Oh yeah, but I know what's happening, so I need to do the same here for the mouse app. Mouse app, and then mouse app. Yes, and another thing that is happening is that I'm not painting the line. I'm not doing an initial line paint, which I should. Here, should probably refactor all that into like something that just paints the whole circuit, you know. And there you go. There you go. Nice. It's like, how long have I been recording now? 11 minutes. Like this would have taken me. This would have taken me like, I'm telling you, I'm not kidding, like 2 hours to actually get that done like this. Now I just need a clipping part, because we definitely want this now to just move. We want this to be able to, always the movement to be constrained within the lines, okay? So we want the movement to be constrained within the lines. So you know what, I'm gonna delete the, I don't like that. I'm gonna delete the clipping, and I'm gonna ask Ghostwriter to help me there. So how can I constrain the movement of the square to be aligned with the lines? It's pretty cool how much context actually gets from these. So you can constrain the movement of the square by the okay, let's see, the curve. Okay, so let's see what has it. I'm curious whether that sort of like typing effect, it's a design decision, or is like because it definitely, like if it will be more like boom, that's the answer, you know, it will feel a bit more like an actual chat experience. I know it's cool that you see that happening, but I'm not so sure if that's so useful to see the things being printed out. By adding some more code. So this code should check if the mouse is within the bounds of the canvas, then check which line the mouse is nearest to. That's so fucking crazy, man. And then move the square to the position. So what has it done here? So if you compare these, so basically clear, fill, repaint the lines, draw horizontal lines. Okay, so what is it doing? I mean, I to be honest, I think that actually that's not correct here, right? I think that's something that actually shouldn't be part of the function. So it hasn't really understood that, but so the square is over the line. Check which line. So, rectangle, and then actually it does this. No, but I mean that's fine. I think that's this is definitely wrong, right? I should definitely. It keeps clearing the original position. That's funny. Okay, so let's just copy this part. Let's just copy this part and paste it in here. So this I'm sure this needs to be these, and I probably can optimize that code somewhere else to make it less. So you clear the position, and then you just I'm assuming let's see if this computation or calculation has been done correctly. Oh, that's odd. Okay. That's very odd. It's painting somehow all the lines. So it seems like the code is painting everything below the mouse position. That's not what I meant. Offset left. What is this 500? Okay, so the lines are painted like in these intervals, and then there's a 500 here. So that's why we'll need to turn these things into constants, I guess. But so you can replace the following line with this line. If so, the actual condition, right? So check if the square is over the line. Now it's yeah. Okay, I think this seems to make sense because it's actually considering the y coordinate. I'm not going to check the detail, but maybe I should, because the thing is, that might actually improve the experience. Okay, at least it doesn't paint it, but it does not. It doesn't. Feel, and then what does it do? It actually paint. It seems like it does it. It does it. I think, yeah, I think the solution is so, but I think what's happening here is what I wanna. It's still basically under. It's still basically. I think that doesn't make a difference because it seems like it's trying to paint it always. Okay, so it keeps the X. But then it forces a specific Y. Is that correct? But then this whole thing is here. I think that is the problem. If I comment this out. I think because that keeps painting the whole thing where the mouse is. I think that's the. Okay, it's gone. What I wanted to achieve is. Oh, it looks better, but the square is still pretty much following the mouse. Instead of flipping to the closest line. That's what I wanted to do. So now it's gonna suggest me to adjust that. How? So it keeps this stuff and then it's telling me to change. That's fine. So that's what's missing, right? So kind of clipping these. But you see, that's kind of the same, the issue that I mentioned. Like it seems like it is not finishing that. But okay, I'm assuming that's what it wants me to do is it just wants me to add. I need to find a better way. I think I can. Maybe I should just put Ghostwriter. I'm not so sure where it's better. It's a fairly big screen, but like it keeps bothering me to the the formatting of the code, no matter how I do it. Like if I'm focusing on the code or on the Ghostwriter chat. Check if the mouse. So we'll basically kind of goes here. So let's see. Still, it seems to work. It seems to work, but it seems to work initially because it does clip it. Like if I'm, let's say I leave these is close, so it's in between. If I click here, it's clipping it to the bottom one. If I click here, so mouse line distance. Yeah, but where is that calculated? That's not calculated anywhere. Have I? Oh, sorry guys. This needs to be here, obviously. So that's what happens when you don't copy the whole thing. Yeah, but it's still not doing the same. But if I'm here and I... Okay, but I think we're going the right. I think we're going the right track. So it's just a matter of fine-tuning these. I want these things to clip, and then the next step would be to make sure that they also kind of clip, or that there's like some certain horizontal positions, to, to achieve this effect here, right? That there's the same kind of like, that it's not a continuous thing, but you kind of force in a way to have these layout where things are always like well aligned. So see you in the next session.